Okay, so now the whole protocol, remember, is very simple. We're using the raw Mary triangle I spoke of: fruits, herbs, and therapeutics. Okay, so you're going to change your diet with the fruit only cleanse. You're going to hold on to that diet until you get better. You will go through a healing crisis. This is the pathway. Okay, and you're going to use the right herbs appropriate. If you don't have the herbs, you stick to the fruits diet. It'll take you a lot longer period of time. That's it. But you can also find herbs that are local in your area that can help serve you. The whole purpose of this book is to help you, get on a path and to put the power in your hands. Because until today, we've always believed that we cannot heal ourselves. We believe that the body is not a self-healer, but the body actually is a self-healer. And the only thing you have to do is to put it in an environment where it can heal itself. And this is where the fruits and the herbs come into play, and the therapeutics. That's all you need to do. The body does the healing. It's not the fruits that heals. It's not the herbs that heal. They put the body in an environment where the body can heal. The body is a healer. The body is a self-healer. And it's very important you understand this, because if you do understand this, then nothing becomes impossible now. Okay? Because no matter what you're experiencing right now, it could be autoimmune problems, it could be anything. These are just names that they gave to symptoms, so they can take care of it, with chemicals. But it does not address the root cause. And what I'm showing you right here is the root cause. It's how to address the root cause, which always boils down to diet and using the right herbs to help you get out of it, and the therapeutics, of course. Mental is crucial. The way you think, the way you view this healing process is crucial as well. You have to get yourself in a mindset that is geared towards your healing. So you got to cut some friends out and family if you need to. Put yourself in an environment that you will heal. Stay away from like social media, excessive social media, and watching TVs and having the same vices that you did before, because you cannot have a new life, a new health if you have the same vices, because those vices and that environment got you where you are today, right? So you got to switch things around. Do some meditation, very important. I can't stress that enough. Spend more time with your inner self. Find your true self and stabilize yourself. And you see that healing is not that difficult. You can do it. It becomes pleasurable. Your body takes on a new turn. You get healthier. Everything rectifies itself, and you're fully in control.